Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Belly Fish channel. I'm Shrikant and today we are going to make Thai curry. You see, Thai curry comes in three colors, red, green and yellow, like traffic lights. So today we are going to make the green one and that will be with the vegetables. But you can put your fingers if you like, it might taste better. Now let me know what comes out of it. Now we'll make the Thai curry with the most common Thai ingredient, galangal. So we'll take about a thumb size galangal, a handful of kaffir lime leaves, 1 green chili, but you can add more if you like it to be more hot, and some lemongrass, about 3 to 4 sticks of them. Now for the gravy you will need 2 medium-sized onions, 1 clove of garlic, a bunch of coriander, fresh green coriander, and the veggies that will go in. So it will be red capsicum, a carrot, and some mushrooms. Thai curry can't be without a coconut milk. Some spices. This is fresh ground coriander and ground cumin. Now we'll start with peeling off the outer skin of the lemongrass. Now this is usually very dry and dirty, so we'll take it off, wash them and chop them into fine pieces. I will take galangal about a thumb size, peel it and then again chop them into small pieces. Now the fresh green coriander, that's about a handful. You can chop them into smaller pieces again. Now chop the green chili into small pieces and the onion. This Thai curry paste that we'll make today will be as easy as opening the jar that you'll buy from the supermarket. Put the ingredients in a blender, blend it, and that's it. It's ready. Now we'll chop the garlic, just 1 clove of it. And add all the ingredients to a blender. The final ingredient, the lime kaffir leaves. This gives the unique lemony flavor to it. Now the spices, that's 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And that's it. You might add some water and blend it into a nice smooth paste. And this is your Thai curry paste that you can even store it in a refrigerator for some time. The vegetables that will go into it are carrots. So we'll chop them into any shape that we like. You can have them into round or cubes or even long. And then we chop the mushrooms. You can even add some shiitake mushrooms if you like. The chewy texture to it. Now I'm adding the red capsicum. You can even add any other capsicum that you like. It kind of gives a contrast to the color of it. I'm using coconut oil. You can use any other vegetable oil that you have. And once the coconut oil is starting to melt, it's time for us to add the vegetables and saute them for some time. Make sure you don't burn them. Stir it for about 5 minutes and then add the Thai green curry paste that you have just made. Now mix it nicely and make sure that it's evenly spread and let it cook for about another 5 minutes, and this will take away the rawness of spice. A lot of effort goes from us into making this video so that we can make cooking easier for you. We can also bring traditional cooking methods that might have been lost, or that's kind of giving in to the way restaurants cook your food. If you like our effort, please like us and subscribe. And then we add the coconut milk that will give it a gravy kind of consistency and the coconut flavor that we all like so much about Thai curries. Now, a lot of Thais may not agree with my recipe, but this is the easiest that I could come out with without having to buy a jar. So if you don't see me for a couple of days on YouTube, someone might have kidnapped me. It's a warning sign for me. With some gentle love and care, make sure you stir them. You can check from time and again that it's not burning. Now about in 5 to 7 minutes, your Thai curry is ready to be served. You can make the gravy thinner and eat it just like a soup, or keep it thick and serve it with rice or bread or anything that you like. You can add any type of vegetables that you want to. You can add broccoli, you can add potatoes, you can add meat if you want to, even your finger.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, head over to happybellyfish.com and check out some amazing online programs and cooking classes that we are offering together with food experts from all around the world. Eat healthy, keep your belly and taste buds happy.